out, I'm gonna first pat it dry, cut it up into meat-looking pieces, let it marinate in the fridge for 10 or 15 minutes or so, and something yet to be determined. And then I'm gonna air fry it because crispy tofu is maybe better. Maybe. I'm gonna keep this very simple, and I'm just gonna marinate it in some soy sauce. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up an onion, a pepper, another pepper, and some broccoli. Stir fry is a lot of fun because you can just kind of take whatever's in your fridge that's gonna go bad in a few days, or something that you just want to cook, and throw it in the pot, get it nice and hot. I didn't mean to rhyme there, but it works out. And just have a great meal. I mean, rice, noodles, just vegetables, meat, tofu in this case, doesn't matter. I'm cutting these pretty thin because I don't want giant pieces of pepper that take, 15 minutes to saute. Next, I'm gonna heat some water for rice sticks. Gotta get my lineup ready. Now, the key to stir fry is having everything prepared ahead of time so that you don't look like an asshole. Sure, that's fine. To make my tofu come out nice and crispy and not look like a pile of intestines, I'm gonna add a little bit of cornstarch. Alright, here we go. Next, I'm gonna get this wok nice and hot and throw in a good amount of oil. Don't be stingy with the oil. Now, to check if the oil's hot enough, you can either put your hand in and, test the temperature yourself, or you can drop in a little sacrificial onion. Ow, oil in my hand. Give it a quick mix, get it acquainted with the oil. A little bit of seasoning. Don't go crazy with the salt. I use this mainly for flavor, not for sauteing, so just a little bit in there. Water's boiling. These aren't going to take long at all. Get in there. A little bit of soy sauce, some fish oil, some ginger. Smells like feet in here now because of the fish sauce. That's okay. It tastes really good. Next, some gochujang. I said gochujang. That's good. Very spicy. Once your rice sticks are done, make sure you rinse them under cold water so they don't stick together. Ha ha ha.